Welcome to Car Instinct, Zach and the Tan Man. Boom. We are here with cameraman Jordan's Pile O Toyota. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to use $10 worth of equipment to shampoo our seats in this Toyota. Whoever gave this to him is It was me. Let's do the intro. They made the AE86 and Supra, so this has racing blood, drift pedigree, drag pedigree, rust pedigree, and a really dirty seat. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use $10 worth of equipment here if you already have a shop vac. Most of you guys have a shop vac or your parents have a shop vac. In this case we're using my grandpa's shop vac. And we're using my grandma's laundry soap in this great bargain 99-cent container. $10, kind of just a ballpark if you have to go and run and buy laundry detergent at like a gas station. It's really expensive, but honestly you can get this done for like $3. I don't really know how this is going to go, but let's get started here. We're going to use this laundry detergent and water mix. This is honestly probably like 20% laundry detergent, would you say? 20%, we'll say 25%. You want it to be a really heavy concentration. It's going to go in. Some of the dirt's going to go into the foam of your seat, some of it's going to come out. That's just the nature of shampooing. But we're going to use the shop vac to suck the wetness out. And I mean, it's a Toyota, so that's already there. But boom, let's go.
Or just the fabric?
Oh, that's fabric. That's like, no, it's fabric, but it's so dirty that it's like
oh boy,
plastic.
Look how gross it is as it transitions.
I've seen carpet like this, so. So usually I wouldn't use grandma's oven brush, but oh man, that might be dirtier. But we're just gonna kind of get what we can off the top. That way, whenever we spray it, we're not just getting stuff in there. So there we go. Oh wow, that is just oh. Oh my god, it's literally changing colors. Yeah, we're gonna have to let that soak in. Tanner. No, look how like it's coming through already.
Oh boy.
That's working really well. I gotta be honest, I didn't know the seat was that light in the first place.
I didn't either, I thought it was gray. Like in the darker.
Hey.
See that? Right here.
Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. That's good.
Oh, it's a good Toyota.
That's a good Toyota. Oh.
Rub that real good.
Oh.
Just that, yeah.
Well, I mean, for
much, but
the huge tube and like the tube has stuff in it, but like for like one spray bottle, and what have we been doing this for, like 15 minutes? So
Looks like chocolate milk.
you want it?
Nope.
Pour some in a glass for you, buddy. Yeah. It is. So what I'm thinking, get the hose, spray the seat, suck the clean water out, and that just kind of gets all that soapy out, and call it good. Yeah.
Oh boy. You know, you always see pictures of people doing this at car washes. You know, ladies spraying out her Audi.
Yeah.
That should be good. Thank
you. So what we're doing here is going to be our final run through. We're just getting most of the soap out of the seat so it doesn't get crusty or anything like that. Basically a rinse cycle, if you will. This is really ghetto, and I know that this seat is not savable. I mean, this isn't because we're trying to save this seat. It's just because we really wanted to see if this would work. So we took the garden hose, we misted it. Now we're just rubbing it through and making sure that we've got all this soap at least near the surface and mixed up with the water. And then we're gonna vacuum all this stuff out and see how much dirt we get. There's the money shot. Yeah. Look at all that. And I should point out that this whole thing was clean when we started. Like, I sprayed this out with the garden hose. This was literally like nothing on the walls, nothing scrubbed. So this is... What a day, Tanner. I cannot believe that worked.
What did we get done?
99 cents worth of making this thing molten normal falls for a couple of seconds there, but I cannot even believe how good it looks.
99 cents to make the car look at least $100 better.
99 cents to make it look at least like $45 better, we'll say that. I mean, you could do it to your carpet, and literally just like laundry soap and a spray bottle, like a Windex bottle, you can do it for free.
Yeah.
But like these spray bottles, which have sprayers on them, see? They... Oh, that's supposed to go out of frame. Jordan, edit that out. These little spray bottles that, like, they are so cheap, like dollar store, $1. Yeah. And the one we used was like 10 years old at the very least, right?
So it was
ready to be more retired, I think, in my opinion. It wasn't working as hard as we were. But what we really need to do for this pile of glory, as you guys know, we really like $500 cars. He didn't, but then he does now, because I like
growing on me.
They're growing on him $500 at a time. But yeah, so this is cameraman Jordan's car. Stay tuned for episode 11. We're going to be lowering the front of this thing because it looks beast in the front and bad in the back, and bad in a good way. So we're going to be dropping it. What would really look bad, Tanner? What do you think? E-brake, maybe some bucket seats?
Yeah, bucket seats would look great in this thing.
Where would we find some bucket seats?
Oh, look, we got some bucket seats.
Hey, there we go. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell button, hit all the buttons if you can.
Leave a comment down below.
Tell us how you like hitting buttons.
And how you like your cleaner interior.
Yeah. And what scent you went with. That's one thing I really like about using laundry soap. There's an aisle at Walmart and there's every smell in the world. Summer breeze, tropical breeze.
Lots of breezes.
April breeze. Yeah. Like I said, dude.